Now we are discussing our third lesson, South Asia. Grade 8 Geography, third lesson, South Asia. South Asia. Last week we started this lesson. The South Asian region is an exceptional geographical region. We discussed the reasons for that. What are the reasons? Very special geographical region. South Asian region is an exceptional geographical region. That's mean very special geographical region. What is the reason for that? Physical features, human features, geographical features. We have discussed them. These are the reasons: physical features, human features, geographical features. These are the example for that. Diversity in topography. Sundarban marshland, it is located at sea level. Mount Everest, highest peak in the world. We can identify the diversity in topography. Loke usama thanat pahatma pradeshyak unu sea level එකත් මේ South Asian region එක තුල තියෙනවා. Sundarban marshland, it is located at sea level. Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. Diversity in climate, also we can identify climate and vegetation. Location of extremely cold areas like Everest. Top of the Everest, very cold. Location of extremely warm area like desert, Thar desert. Vegetation changing from dense forest to grassland. So we can identify the diversity in climate and vegetation. Dense forest, Ganavanantarya. There are a lot of plants, trees, creepers, undergrowth, epiphyte. This kind of forest is called as dense forest. Example, Sinhala forest is a dense forest. Grasslands, no large trees, no bushes, no creepers, only grasslands. So you can identify the vegetation changes also. Vegetation also. There are various type of vegetation in South Asian region. Dense forests as well as grasslands also can be seen. Location of South Asian region. Lastly, we discuss about the location of South Asian region. පුතේ අපි map එක ඇඳලා mark කරා නේද? I think we have mark South Asian region. Himalaya, north side Himalaya, south side, these are the boundaries of the South Asian region. Location of any region we can say in two ways. Relative location and specific location. We discuss about the relative location. What is the relative location of South Asian region? North side Himalaya. We have to tell the boundaries of the South Asian region. North side Himalaya. South side, what is this ocean? South side, what is this one? What is this one? What are the boundaries of the South Asian region? North Himalaya. South side?
Indian Ocean.
Indian Ocean. East side, what is the boundary in this area?
Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. This side, east side.
Arabian Sea.
Arabian Sea. So, Asian continent, South Asian region. These are the boundaries of the South Asian region. North side Himalaya, south side Indian Ocean, east side Bay of Bengal, west side Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. We discuss up to this. බලන්න පුතේ ඔන්න ඔතෙන්ට එනකම් අපි discuss කරා නේද? Relative location of South Asia. I think you have drawn this map and marked the relative location. බලන්න පුතේ map එක ඇඳලා mark කරා නේද කියලා? Mark කරා නේද?
Yes, madam.
Okay, but we didn't write it. ලියලා නෑනේ. ලිව්වේ නෑ. මේ ඇඳ විතරයි. Yes. Then you write down. map එක ඇඳලා තියෙන්නේ. Now you write down. We draw the map last week. Now you write down the region. Now we are discussing the relative location of the South Asian region. Relative location of the South Asian region. You write down. The region is bounded the region is bounded in the north, by the Himalayas. In the north by the Himalayas. In the north by the Himalayas. In the north by the Himalayas. In the south south by the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. In the south by the Indian Ocean. In the east by the Bay of Bengal. By the Bay of Bengal. In the west, what is the boundary? By the, what is the boundary in the west side?
Arabian Sea.
Yes, Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. You write down. This is the relative location of the South Asian region. We drew the map here. Last week we drew here South Asian map. කලින් අපි ඇඳා එතන map එක ඇඳ දැන් map එක ඇඳ තැනට යට පහලින් තමයි මේ ටික ලියන්නේ. Have you finished? Do you have any difficult words here? Okay. Now you know the relative location of the South Asian region. It is very easy. You can think and you can write down. North side Himalaya, south side Indian Ocean, west side Arabian Sea, east side Bay of Bengal. It is very easy. Then we are going to discuss about the specific location of the South Asian region. Specific location. Or we can say absolute location. Specific location or absolute location. You write down the topic. You have to study about it hardly. Specific location of the South Asia. specific location, or we can say it as absolute location. Specific location or absolute location. Write within the bracket, absolute location. Absolute location, specific location or absolute location. Same, these are same, specific, absolute. Now we are going to draw the absolute location of the South Asian region. Then you can understand. After that, we can write down. Okay. Here Sri Lanka. This side Maldives. Set of islands here, they are called as Maldives. Here, what is the country?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Here, Bangladesh in this area, you know it. Here, Nepal and Bhutan. Here, Bhutan. Bhutan. These are the South Asian countries. Then we are going to draw the specific location. Now we are going to show the specific location of the South Asian region. In this side.
You haven't
Yes?
You haven't drawn Maldives.
Here Maldives. Can you see here? Here Maldives. Can you see that area?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Here line. In this area. Can you see this one? Can you see this line?
Yes,
Red
teacher.
Line. Okay. Okay. This one 0 latitude. What is the 0 latitude? What is the name for it? Name of it? Huh? What is the name of this line? What is the name?
Equator.
Equator. From equator to 38 north latitude, South Asian region is spread from equator to 38 north latitude. What is the reason for this north latitude? 38 north latitude.
It is up of the equator.
Huh? Yes, that is the reason. These are called as north latitude because these are located up of the equator. That's why. That is the reason. Very good. This line value you write down 38. 38 north latitude. 38 north. That's why I mention here in letter N because these are north. Then you write down latitudes. This one, north or south. Here 0. This one. Huh? No need to mention here north or south. No need to mention north or south. Okay, then we are going to mark longitudes. South Asian region. Now we are going to mark longitudes from here to this side and here. What is the line? And South Asian region is spread from 60 east or west. Here 60 east or west longitude. Can you tell me here should be EO west, EOW? This one?
E?
East. What is the reason for that?
I don't know.
It's located east of the international date line.
Yes, not international date line. What is the line here?
Greenwich line.
Greenwich line. Very good. Very good. This line located in east side of the Greenwich line. That is the reason. Very good. Very good. Then 62. What is here line? 60 to 100. 100. Here east or west? East. These all are located east side of the Greenwich line. So these all are called as east longitudes. Here should be longitudes. Can you understand? Can you understand? Here, what is the reason to put E? Here, E. What is the reason for that? Here, N. What is the reason for that? Can you understand these are? I will show you them again. Here, now you think here, equate. This line, Greenwich line. South Asian region is located east of the Greenwich line. This one 0 line. 0 line, Greenwich line. This one equator, it also 0. South Asian region is located in this area. South Asian region is located in this area. So, this longitude, this side longitudes are called as east longitudes. Here east. South Asian region is started from east longitude. What is the value? Huh? 60. Here 60. This line 60. 60 east longitude to 100. 100 east. These all are east. Can you understand it? Huh? Can you understand? Tell me yes or no. 60 is to 100. This line 100. So these two lines are called as east longitude because these two lines located east side of the Greenwich line. As well as here, this one equator. This line equator, here value 0. Here value 0. Here value 0. This side north of the equator. North of the equator. Here you can see this line equator. North of the equator, these all the latitudes are called as north latitudes from equator to north pole. These all the latitudes are called as north latitudes. As well as this side, south of the equator, these all are called as south latitudes. These all are called as south latitudes. But South Asian region is located north of the equator. You can see here, north of the equator. So South Asian region is located from equator to what is the line? Equator to here 38. Equator to 38. Can you understand now? Equator to 38. These all are north. Here north. Equator to 38 north latitude. South Asian region is located equator to 38 north latitudes. So South Asian region is located northern hemisphere in the eastern part of the earth. Earth එකේ උත්තරාර්ධ ගෝණයේ නැගෙනහිර කොටස තමයි South Asian region එක තියෙන්නේ. Can you understand it clearly? Huh? You draw this one. Now you draw this one. South Asian region, longitude 60 to 100 longitudes as well as 0 to 38 latitude. You not need to put here S. This is only one line 38. So you write down latitude. Now you draw this one. Have you finished?
Yes, teacher.
Others? Okay, then you color the map, this area, then it is very easy to identify C area. Here's the area, coastline. If you want draw, you draw this one also. Here you write down Greenwich line. Here you write down equator, and you mark these lines. Then you can understand the location of the South Asian region of the world map. Can you understand the difference between specific location and absolute location? If specific location and relative location, or absolute location and relative location, can you understand it?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Okay. Now you can understand about the boundaries and specific location, absolute location of the South Asian region. India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Sri Lanka are the constitutes countries in South Asian region. Nicobar and Andaman Islands too belong to the South Asian region. Nicobar and Andaman Island. Nicobar and Andaman Islands also belong to South Asian region. We have to mark them, these two islands. Afghanistan has been awarded the membership of SAARC organization. I have told you earlier. Here another country, it is called as Afghanistan. But it not belong to the South Asian region. It not belong to the South Asian region. Afghanistan geographically belong to the Central Asia. Can you understand it? Afghanistan belong to SAARC country. Here these all the countries are SAARC country, but except Afghanistan. except Afghanistan, other all the countries belong to South Asian region. South Asian region. SAARC countries වල තියෙන Afghanistan ඇර අනිත් රටවල් ඔක්කොමයි තියෙන්නේ South Asian region එකට. Afghanistan geographically belong to the Central Asian region. Here, this country belong to the Central Asian region. We can easily remember South Asian countries. I have told you, I think I have told you. මාළඟ ඉන්න භූතයා පන්නමු නේද බං. Maldives ළඟ ලංකාව ඉන්න ඉන්දියා භූතයා බංග්ලාදේශ් පන්නමු
Bhutan. Madam, I think Bhutan is Bhutan.
Bhutan. Oh, Bhutan. මාළඟ ඉන්න භූතයා Bhutan පන්නමු පාකිස්තාන් නේද නේපෝල් බංග්ලාදේශ්. හරි නේද?